Today, I want to talk to you about using slide masters in your workbook or your planners. If you don't know what a slide master is, it's sort of like a page template that sits behind the actual content of your slide or your page in this case. So what you see here, everything here, I can select. I can select the text and all the lines and the boxes. But when I try to click on this background and all the shapes here, I can't seem to do it, which means I can't edit it from here. And the reason why is because we have used a slide master. Now, why do you want to use slide masters? Well, the answer is simple. Because in a workbook like this, or when you're doing a planner, sometimes you have pages that you want to have uniform design. For example, this page, take a look at this, and this page, you will see that the design is similar, only the content has changed. Now, then we move on to this page, and the design has changed, but it is the same as this page. And then we go back to these two again. Normally, what someone would do is that they would basically copy the page, right, from one to the other, whatever pages that you want to duplicate the style with. The problem with doing that, however, if you make a change, say, on this page, then it won't reflect changes on all the other pages that have the same design. So let me go ahead and look at this. So let's say I changed the design here and I changed the background here to a different color. Only this page, if you're not using Slide Master, that is, only this page will change. And then the rest of these that have the same template, so to speak, will remain the same. So imagine you have to change not just one time, you have to change all this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You get my idea, right? You have to multiply your work by however many pages that you have with the same design. So that is a very ineffective way of doing this. A better way would be using a slide master. To access the slide master, I would go to View, Slide Master. And now you can see that if I scroll down here on the left side, I have a default set of layouts, and then this layout, and this, which is similar to the others, and this, and this. And if I look at this, each layout has sub-layout underneath it. And when I hover over it, it tells me which slides are currently using this layout. Let me demonstrate something to you. If I click this and I change this, see now that I can select this, let me go ahead and do Format Shape. And let me go to Ungroup. And now you can see all these things. Let me click on this again. And let's say I change this to a different color. Let's say I change this to a green instead. Now, when I close my master, you would see that the pages that use this master have changed colors. Now, why then this change? Because this is using a different slide master. If you would notice, the design, even though they look the same, but there are subtle differences between them. And that's why this hasn't changed. Now, if you want to, you can definitely change this to use all the same. So let's say, for example, this, I want to use this layout. Let me go ahead and change this to this. And then you see how that has quickly changed. So if I can select these that I want to use the same ones, and then I just go up here and do change to that. And you see immediately how everything has changed so quickly. And if I want to change even more, let's go back to Slide Master, select the ones I don't want. Okay, I've selected all the circles, and maybe this time I want to change that to a dark, right? So now, whoops, I seem to have undone it. Let me do that again. Change this to maybe a pink. All right, if I close my master, now you would see all the ones with like have a cloud type has changed. That is the plus side of using slide masters. So if you have any one of our products and you're using PowerPoint and you find that some of the templates can't be changed, look in the slide master. What if you don't like any one of these and you want to create your own? Absolutely. You just go back to slide master. And from here, I would suggest you create a new layout, insert slide master, and it will create a whole new set of masters for you with different kinds of layouts. You would just delete anything that you don't need. I don't need this. And let's try to add something here. Let's see. Maybe instead of graphics, I want images instead. So let's do some that looks nice. Let me put it up here. Don't want to make it too large. Put it all the way up here. And maybe I want to have some kind of artistic effects on it. Let's see what we have. Maybe I do that. What I'll do to close this, I'll go back to my slide master, close. Now nothing has changed yet because we haven't applied any of the pages to that particular slide master. So instead, maybe this and this, I want to change the layout. And now we'll look for, see now it has this, I'll use that. And then you see suddenly it has changed the top here. Now it doesn't have to be the top, it can be anything. This is a very basic overview of how to use Slide Masters and how to apply it to your workbook and your planners. Have fun with it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you hit the bell button to subscribe and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate you so much. Till next time. Bye-bye.